How does Axelar work? For Axelar, it was created for three groups of people as follows. 1. Blockchain developer. 2. dApps developer. 3. User. First, each chain must first install a special account at the chain itself called threshold account, which is used to connect to external chains or other chains through Axelar network. Because each chain has different languages and formats, Axelar must be connected. Therefore, when a user wants to cross-chain from chain A to chain X, the system sends a request, and Axelar will have to do routing to find a route to chain X. Validators will then confirm this part of the request first. Once completed, the system will run to the chain we want through a protocol called CGP, as well as communication between dApps. Both chains will have the same procedure: to submit a request first, such as withdrawing or transferring tokens, and then having the validators verify their authenticity first. The protocols in this section are CTP. As for the validators, consensus is delegated proof of stake, DPoS, which means that the person who's staking the coin has selected an agent to confirm the transaction, and also adds a Byzantine fault tolerance system. This makes it more decentralized and secure. Validators' signings use the principle of threshold signature, which is to divide the private key into sections and divide it with each reviewer. When it comes time to sign validators, each person uses a combination of keys to verify the transaction.